Hey you and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to send money from Wise to a USA bank. So for example, we are right here on our Wise account and you need to have a verified account on Wise, otherwise it's not possible. And then we click here on send. Then we fill in right here the United States, there we go. And then we fill in right, for example, 100 euro. Then what we're going to do is we click here on add recipient and then we fill in bank details and then we do someone else. Then what you need to know is we have two options, the US bank account and the SWIFT right there. But first of all, we select right here the US bank where we fill in full name of the account holder, the routing number, account number, then we do right here checking and then we select right here the country. If you go to the SWIFT, you fill in right here full name of the account holder, IBAN account number, SWIFT or BIC code, and then the country. Then we click on continue and then he will send us right here to the review page where you need to check all the details carefully. And then we do continue and then you need to finish your payment. That is how you can send money from Wise to the USA. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.